Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Huawei's latest innovation, the Pura X Max. This isn't just another foldable, it's a device that truly redefines the mobile experience. We'll explore its stunning wide display, unpack its powerful performance, scrutinize its advanced camera system, and see how it transforms productivity, delivering a truly unique blend of smartphone and compact tablet functionality. Stay tuned for our full breakdown. The Huawei Pura X Max immediately impresses with its elegant, book-style folding design. Crafted with a sophisticated glass back and a robust aluminum frame, it exudes a premium feel. Unfolded, the device measures a remarkably slim 5.2 mm, expanding to 11.2 mm when folded, and weighs 229 grams. Huawei has also equipped it with IP58 and IP59 ratings, ensuring strong dust and water resistance. The hinge mechanism offers a smooth, solid action, and crucially, the crease visibility is notably less pronounced compared to previous models. The distinctive racetrack-style camera module adds to its unique aesthetic. At the heart of the Pura X Max experience are its dual, vibrant displays. The main, foldable LTPO2 OLED panel spans a generous 7.7 inches, offering an impressive 1828 by 2584 pixel resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate with 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. This inner screen reaches a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The cover screen is a practical 5.4-inch LTPO2 OLED, also boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate and an astounding peak brightness of up to 3500 nits, protected by second-generation Kunlun glass. Both displays utilize a unique aspect ratio, close to √2 to 1 or 1.43 to 1, designed for a balanced and immersive viewing experience across various content formats, from browsing to video editing. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura X Max is powered by the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset, paired with the Kirin 935 GPU. This configuration is designed for stable performance and efficient gaming, running on HarmonyOS 6.1. The device offers robust memory options, with up to 16 GB of RAM and internal storage reaching an expansive 1 TB, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for all your files and applications. While the Kirin 9030 Pro aims for a significant performance boost over its predecessors, its focus remains on optimized daily use and sustained gaming sessions. Photography on the Pura X Max is a flagship-level experience, thanks to its versatile triple-camera system. It features a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0 and optical image stabilization. Complementing this is a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, also with OIS, and a 12.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Huawei's proprietary XMAGE image processing ensures stunning results, utilizing our YYB sensors for enhanced light capture and color accuracy. For selfies, the device includes dual 8-megapixel front cameras, one on each display, capable of 4K video recording. Innovative features like XMAGE selfie pose suggestions and 3D dynamic photos further elevate the creative possibilities. Powering through your day is effortless with the Huawei Pura X Max's substantial 5300 mAh battery. When it's time to recharge, you're covered by 66-watt wired fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups. For added convenience, it supports 50-watt wireless charging, allowing for effortless power replenishment. The device also offers 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging, enabling you to share power with other devices when needed. The Pura X Max runs on Huawei's own HarmonyOS 6.1, providing a cohesive and optimized software experience. This operating system is designed to deliver smooth transitions and efficient resource management across its dual displays, making the most of the unique foldable form factor. Beyond core functionality, HarmonyOS 6.1 introduces advanced AI-based features for photography and productivity, such as AI inspiration creation and the Little Wing Companion Assistant, streamlining tasks and enhancing creative workflows. The seamless integration across devices within the Huawei ecosystem is a significant advantage, offering a fluid user journey. For those who demand precision and enhanced productivity, the Huawei Pura X Max supports the M Pen 3 mini stylus. This integration transforms the large inner display into a versatile canvas for sketching, note-taking, and precise document editing. The device's smart case even offers convenient storage and charging for the stylus, ensuring it's always ready when inspiration strikes. This capability positions the Pura X Max as a powerful tool for creators and professionals alike, making it capable of handling an entire workflow on its own. Huawei has boldly entered the wide foldable market with the Pura X Max, distinguishing itself from other foldables with its unique aspect ratio and book-style folding. This design provides a significantly larger usable screen area, especially noticeable when viewing content or multitasking, expanding layouts from 2 columns to 3 or even 4, for an information-rich glance. It feels less like an oversized phone and more like a compact tablet you can comfortably carry in your pocket. This innovative approach prioritizes practical, real-world usage, making it ideal for reading, browsing, and even video editing, bridging the gap between smartphones and tablets. The Huawei Pura X Max stands out as a genuinely game-changing foldable smartphone, offering a premium and innovative experience that emphasizes usability and immersion. Its standout features include the stunning wide foldable display, the powerful Kirin 9030 Pro chipset, and a highly capable XMAGE camera system. While the investment is significant, starting at approximately 10,999 yuan in China, the Pura X Max delivers a cohesive and advanced mobile platform. For those seeking a device that blends smartphone portability with tablet-like functionality and prioritizes cutting-edge technology, the Pura X Max is a compelling choice that redefines the foldable landscape.